February 9th, we're going to tap the maple trees. Today is the last super cold day, is what they forecast. So we're going to get a head start. The plastic sled comes in so handy. We do 12 trees.
Oh, she's doing zoomies.
She's doing the zooms.
All right, let's see what we get out of the big fat one. I'm going like...
There she goes.
Okay.
Here it comes. It's already coming out. It's running already. There it is.
Nature's bounty.
Okay, number 4. We like the buckets. It's an old-fashioned way of doing it. Traditional way. And there it goes. That's so cool.
That's awesome.